In this video, we'll be solving a logarithmic equation. The problem that we'll be doing is to solve 2 log base 3 of x minus the log base 3 of the quantity x minus 2 is equal to 2. Now you'll notice that there's no logarithms on the right side, so we're going to simplify this left side until it's a single logarithm, and then we'll write this exponentially. One rule that we'll be using is to take this coefficient up as an exponent on the argument. So this comes up here, and we have the log base 3 of x squared, and then I'm just copying the rest. Alright, then whenever we have the difference of logs, we know that that's the same as saying the single logarithm of the quotient. So we can write this as a single logarithm with the base of 3 of x squared divided by x minus 2. And that's equal to 2 on the right side. Right. Now, whenever you have a logarithm on one side and not a logarithm on the other side, just a constant, then what you need to do is write this exponentially. Okay. And the way we do that is we take the base of the logarithm, that'll be the base of our exponential, and we know that a logarithm is an exponent, so this is my exponent, and that's equal to my argument. Now I'm just going to solve this. 3 squared is 9. I need to get my x minus 2 off the denominator, so I'll multiply both sides by x minus 2. These will cancel, and I'm going to distribute this 9 through the binomial. So 9 times x is 9x, minus 9 times 2 is 18. And that's equal to x squared. Right, we have a quadratic here, so I'm going to bring these two terms to the right side because I like to keep my second degree term with a positive coefficient. So I'll have a 0 on the left side, and I already have my x squared over here. I'll subtract 9x from both sides, and then add 18 to both sides. Right. This, I think, factors. Two numbers that multiply to give me 18 and add to give me 9. I think 6 and 3 will work. So I have 0 is equal to x. And they both need to be negatives, so x minus 6 times x minus 3. We make sure that that works. Negative 6 times negative 3 is 18, and then a negative 6x and a negative 3x is a negative 9x. Okay, now once I have this factored and set equal to 0, then I set each of these factors equal to 0. X minus 6 equals 0 means that x equals 6. And this one, x minus 3 equals 0 means that x equals 3. Box these in. Remember, you do need to check and make sure that neither of these cause a negative argument. but I think we're fine. Even when x is 3, this is fine. So x is 6 and x is 3.